Today I'm going to show you how to service your RainSoft water treatment system. I've got a TC conditioner series water treatment and then an EC4 water treatment control. And then of course my salt tank. I'm going to get these cleaned out. Got new salt for the salt tank. Got these from Lowe's. And then the trickier one is these other brine tanks. This one here is the EC4. That one only gets changed out about every 10 years or so. This other tank has the brine that goes into it. And you can even see when you hold up a light to it that it has been depleted. So we're going to clean out that last little bit that's in there, put some new in. And like I said, this other tank, you're only supposed to do every 10 years from what I have found on the internet and through the manual. So finding the brine for that tank, I actually found it on Amazon, like you found anything else in the world. I'll put a link in the description for where to get it. Kind of sandy kind of thing. So let's get stuff taken apart and get it cleaned out. I'm going to shut the water off to the unit. Now to disconnect, got this little attachment here. Now I've got a drill just with the empty bit holder. Get this off here. And another one on this side. Detach this hose from here. So then I just come out. And now we can bring our tank outside. This one wire to undo right there. And we're ready to take it outside. Alright, now we're going to take the brain off. Just going to grab down here and turn. Okay, we got some old water in here. Going to get that dumped out. There's all the old brine. Amazon does have some funnels you can get. Wish I got one, but making this work. Got a little cover to block that so nothing goes inside my pipe. And then a little hole to drop it into. That 1 cubic bag got it most of the way up for me. Now to put the brain back on and take it back inside. Make sure that this piece is down flush so that it sits right on the inside of the brain. Now to put it back in place and get it all connected. So that tank is done. Nothing I really need to do on the brain. Everything has already been set for what time it regenerates, around 3 o'clock in the morning. And at the end, I can hit regenerate now just to make it regenerate. Other than that, it's good to go. And now for our other salt tank, which is also very simple. Pretty depleted. And all you got to do is take off that one hose right there, take it outside, dump it out, hose it out, and put new salt in. For this go round, mine usually stays pretty clean. Sometimes there'll be some sediment in there, but I can tell it's clean enough. I'm not even going to worry about rinsing it. I'm just going to add new salt. That is it, to the best of my knowledge and understanding. There are also water test kits you can get on Amazon, and if you're curious to test your water and see how it's doing. I've also got this UV light on mine. That bulb for it lasts 1 year, and I can also get it on Amazon. Not changing it right now though, but it's pretty simple. Just taking off the ends and sliding in a new bulb. For today, that is it. I'm going to hit the regenerate now button, and I'm good to go. Hope this video helps with your journey. Be blessed in getting yours taken care of. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel to see other cool videos about how to do other cool things as we go on our journey of figuring out how to do it ourselves. Be blessed.